Welcome, we are doing question on transient analysis from GATE 2011. So it says that in the circuit shown below, the initial charge on the capacitor is 2.5 microcoulomb. So I can write initial charge, that is Q0 minus, is given to us as 2.5 microcoulomb with voltage polarity as indicated. So voltage polarity was also given to us, I forgot to write. So this voltage polarity is indicated, minus is above and positive is below. The switch is closed at time t equal to 0. So this switch, it was initially open, it is closed at time t equal to 0. Then we have to find the current I of t. So this is the current I of t at time t after switch is closed. We have to find the current I at time t after switch is closed. So four options are given to us. So as you can see, the exponential term is same in all the options. The exponential term is same in all the options. So it means that the time constant value we do not have to find. We do not have to find the time constant value because it is same in all the options. Okay, and the correct option is option A. So we will see how this option A is the correct option. So we are given the initial charge on the capacitor. So we can find the initial voltage also on the capacitor. We can find the initial voltage also. So Vc0 minus will be equal to Q0 minus upon value of capacitance C. Because Q equal to CV, we already know this formula. So value of C is given to us as 50 microfarad and Q is given to us as 2.5 microcoulomb. So this will be equal to Vc0 minus will be equal to 2.5 into 10 to power minus 3 coulomb, 10 to power minus 3 coulomb upon 50 microfarad. So 50 into 10 to power minus 6 farads. So if you solve it, you will get Vc0 minus equal to 50 volt. Vc0 minus value we will get equal to 50 volt. So I can write here Vc0 minus is equal to 50 volt. Vc0 minus is equal to 50 volt, and the capacitor has the property that it opposes any immediate change in its voltage. The capacitor opposes any immediate change in its voltage. So Vc0 plus means the voltage just after time t has reached 0, just after the time t has reached 0 second. So Vc0 plus will be equal to 50 volt. Okay, so and the switch is closed at time t equal to 0. So Vc0 minus is the voltage just before the switch is closed and Vc0 plus is the voltage just after the switch is closed. So now we can draw the circuit for t equal to 0 plus. Now we are drawing the circuit for time t equal to 0 plus. So we will close this switch. So this switch is closed and this capacitor will act as a voltage source now. This capacitor will act as a voltage source now because its initial voltage is 50 volt. So this current and this voltage source, capacitor acting as a voltage source. So this is equal to 50 volt. This resistance was given to us as 10 ohm, and this will be the current I at t equal to 0 plus. This is the current I at t equal to 0 plus. So I am writing it as I 0 plus. So if you apply Kirchhoff's voltage law, then we get minus 100 volt plus 10 into I 0 plus and minus 50 volt is equal to 0. Okay, so I0 plus we are getting as 15 ampere. I0 plus will be equal to 15 ampere. I0 plus is equal to 15 ampere. So we have also find the value of current I at t equal to 0 plus. And if you have to find the value of time constant, then also you can find the value of time constant. See, this is a 10 ohm resistance and a 50 microfarad capacitor. So if you have to find the time constant, then it is equal to, time constant we find by shorting the voltage source or opening the current source. So if in the figure the current source is given to you, then you have to open the current source and short the voltage source. So we will see a 10 ohm resistance and a capacitor of 50 microfarad. So time constant will be equal to 10 into 50 into 10 to power minus 6. So this will be equal to, and if you find the value of 1 upon tau, it will be equal to 1 upon 10 into 50 into 10 to power minus 6. So this 1 upon tau will be equal to 2000 seconds. 1 upon tau will be equal to 2000 seconds. That is why in all the options it was given to you exponential minus of 2 into 10 to power 3 t. Okay, so we have also verified the value of the time constant. So we have also found value of I of 0 plus equal to 15 ampere and 1 upon tau equal to 2 into 10 to power 3 second. So these all values we have found, 1 upon tau or the time constant. Tau is the time constant, its value is equal to RC. So 1 upon tau is equal to 2 into 10 to power 3 second. Now the value of current, transient current is given as I of t is equal to I of infinite plus I of 0 minus I of infinite, and this whole multiplied by e to the power minus t upon tau. Okay, so capacitor acts as open circuit in the steady state. Capacitor acts as open circuit in the steady state. So obviously I of infinite will be equal to 0 for the capacitor. I of infinite will be equal to 0 for the capacitor, because the capacitor will be acting as open circuit in the steady state. So I of infinite will be equal to 0 obviously. So I of infinite, if you put equal to 0 and I of 0 equal to 15. So this will be equal to 15 e to the power minus t upon tau. So that is why the correct option is 15 into exponential of minus 2 into 10 to power 3t. So this is the correct answer, and option A obviously was correct. If you substitute the value of 1 upon tau here, then you will get 15 exponential of minus 2 into 10 to power 3 t. So this is the answer. We have already found out the answer, but there is so there is one more method of Laplace transform to solve this same question, but there is no need to use that method, because that method will involve a lot of calculation. So we can easily solve this question by using the transient equation and the transient behavior of the capacitor. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any doubt regarding this question or any other question solved by me on YouTube, then you can post your comment in the comment box. I reply to all the comments. Please help me to grow this channel, and so share the link with your friends as well in your WhatsApp groups. Thank you, and best of luck for exams.